back with Effixis, and more precisely with its data scientist. So hi, and could you present us this company?
Hello everyone. So Effixis is a consultancy company in AI, specifically working on text-related applications. We work with multinational corporations as well as SMEs, startups, and also public institutions. The team consists of 25 people in Switzerland and Belgium. Yeah, so that's it, Effixis.
Okay, and what about you? So what's your background in data sciences?
So yes, I'm data scientist at Effixis. My background, I have a degree in, I obtained a degree in mathematical engineering at École Polytechnique de Louvain in Belgium. And most of the team has a technical background as well.
All right. And on your website, it is said that you help companies to tackle the most difficult challenges. So may I ask you which are these?
Yes, so it depends on the client. The advantage of AI and more specifically LLMs is that you can tackle really a lot of different use cases. But we offer three different services to our clients. First, the AI upskilling and training to allow them to understand how they can use AI, what they can do, also how to master the tools. Then we also do consultancy, more strategic consultancy, where we try to find with the client together some use cases and also prioritize them. And then a more operational consultancy where we implement the use cases, or if we have to develop an application, then we can also do it because we have a technical background.
And even though that's not quite your field, but what's the if you know what's the outcome for companies? How does it help them to be more productive? Do you know what's the output actually?
So yes, the outcomes for a client, I would say that technically it's not so difficult for a company to use AI, but we saw that it was really difficult for companies and even more for big companies to adopt AI so that people use it. That's why we also try to train the people so that they can use it on the right way, and they also have the good practices. And mixing this with the technical part, that's how, for the client, there is a better outcome. And let's imagine there is a marketing department in a company. If they use AI to solve some problems, then they will gain in productivity, but also in quality to create content. And so that's how also they can get a competitive advantage by using AI tools.
Okay, and sorry, you have kind of 360 degrees offering. So because at first you have this AI Academy where you at first teach people to use AI, then you help them to redefine and reflect on their AI strategies, and finally you find those solutions and you build up those solutions for them. But so coming back to this AI Academy, since it's quite a new field, my question would be, how do you even teach AI, and what's your approach?
So the approach is first, we try to teach some global knowledge about AI, so just to speak the same language with the client. Then I would say that a good approach is also to find real use cases in the company. So first, it helps directly the company to use, to solve these use cases. But also, for a company, if you give a use case and you can show direct impacts, then it helps them also to trust more in AI and to adopt AI more easily. Yes.
And do you train them in the main AI, for example, ChatGPT, Gemini? And if so, how do you do it?
So yes, as we are mostly working with a text-related application, we work a lot with OpenAI, ChatGPT from OpenAI, but also Gemini from Google, and all the others models. We have quite a good overview of all the technologies that exist. That's why also we we advise some tools depending on the client. For example, if the client has everything on the Azure infrastructure, then it's better to deploy the model on Azure. But so yes, it depends on the client.
And actually, with this AI Academy, you have handled, well, with the company, you have handled 120 projects.